Good morning friends. Today we discuss about agronomy. Let's start. For production of 1 kg of rice, amount of water required 5000 liter. Nitrogen fixation by azolla in rice range between 40 to 50 kg per hectare. Directorate of Rice Research is located at Hyderabad. Hulling percentage of rice is 65%. Seed rate of hybrid rice is 15 kg per hectare. In India, which type of wheat variety are grown? Spring. Position of India in wheat production in the world is second, first China. Wheat, which wheat species has maximum area in India? Triticum aestivum. Which wheat species is known as macaroni wheat? Triticum durum. C306 is a variety of single gene dwarf variety. The optimum sowing depth of tall variety of wheat is 6 to 7 centimeter. Shoot of wheat is called culm. The main rain-fed wheat zone in India is central zone. The most abundant, important and productive wheat contributing zone in India is north-western plain zone. Which crop is called as king of cereal? Wheat. Which is leading state in wheat production? Uttar Pradesh. Wheat protein is called gluten. For quality bread, protein content in wheat should be more than 12%. The productivity of wheat is highest in France. The production of wheat is highest in China. The total area under wheat cultivation in India is around 25 million hectare. The total production of wheat in India is around 108 metric tons. Wheat is C3 plants. The last leaf in wheat is flag leaf. The origin of common wheat is Southwest Asia. Which type of barley is most grown in India? Spring barley. The origin of maize is USA or Mexico. In wheat, which type of maize? In India, which type of maize is grown? Flint corn. Seed rate of hybrid maize is 20 to 25 kg per hectare. Female flower is known as maize silk. Male flower is called in maize tassel. Which is leading state in rabi maize production? Bihar. In USA, which type of maize is grown extensively? Dent corn. Sorghum is a C4 plant. National Research Center for Sorghum is located in Hyderabad. Which is most drought tolerant crop? Sorghum. Which crop has maximum water requirement per millet? Which is known as poor man's crop? Pearl millet. Origin of rice is Indo-Burma, Southeast Asia. The Indian Rice Research Institute is located at Cuttack, Odisha. In rice inflorescence is called panicle. Which among the rice subspecies having dwarf in nature? Japonica. World's first high-yielding basmati rice is Pusa Basmati 1. Miracle rice in India is Jaya. First rice hybrid was released in the world during 1976. Most important cropping system in India is rice wheat. Normal row to row spacing of wheat is 20 to 22.5 centimeter. Wheat species suitable for drought condition is macaroni wheat. First dwarf wheat variety of the world is Norrington. Norin dwarf wheat variety was discovered in Japan is O.V. Vogel. Critical stage for irrigation of wheat is crown root initiation stage. Wheat variety is suitable for upma dish making DDK 100. Branch wheat variety is NP 797. White bud of maize is due to deficiency of zinc. 6 row barley is Hordeum vulgare. Camel among the crop is sorghum. Please share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.